Welcome to Techie Master channel.
So powerhouse and overview. Part one. So viewers, this video we are going to discuss about powerhouse. First of all, we need to understand what is a powerhouse. So powerhouse is the centralized location where we have the control panels, means incoming panels and outgoing panels and bus couplers and power factor controller circuits, okay, and the circuit breakers. So these all together known as powerhouse. So the powerhouse is placed in between the incoming electricity board supply, means coming from power grid, and it supplies to the respective application or units or different sections of the industries. So let's go over a powerhouse and understand how it functions. And this is my part one video. So going over, I will give you as part two, part three, like that, and where we'll see those components in details. Let's see what are the items in these powers which we are going to discuss. Okay. We have two transformers and 2 MVA and 1.2 MVA respectively, and we have two alternators, each 500 kVA. And then we have incoming panel and outgoing panels and circuit breakers and bus couplers and changeover panels. So we have the panels here, and these for transformer one, which is 1.2 MVA, and where we have EB bus bar on top and a genset bus bar on bottom. In between we have changeover switches, and these for transformer ones, and this one is the air circuit breakers of transformer one, which is handling the capacity of around 2000 amps. This is basically a 4 pole circuit breaker, and you see this all these changeovers corresponding to the respective units of the industry where they want to get the powered. Okay. And if you're coming back here and you see these are all 4 pole changeovers, each has around 400 amps breaking capacity. And if you come to this corner, this is actually incomer as circuit breaker of genset 1. This powerhouse has two genset 1 and genset 2, each has 500 kVA capacity, and the breaking capacity is 1000 amps. So these are all merged with the transformer 1. If you are coming to transformer 2, we have around 3600 amps capacity of air circuit breaker, because this is our 2 MVA capacity, and we have these changeover panels which is going to the respective sections of the industries. So this is basically what we see for spinning mills. And the bus coupler of this one is 3600 amps for pole. Okay, again air circuit breaker of this one also. So where do we use this bus coupler? So this bus coupler we use because we have two different sources here. Okay, so 1 MVA and to 1.2 MVA and 2 MVA transformer sources are coming. When we operate 2 MVA with the sufficient load, I mean 2 MVA is sufficient to handle the load, then we will shut down the 1.2 MVA transformer to reduce the core loss and other iron losses. Okay, so this way we can feed whole unit with the help of only one transformer when the load is lesser. In case the load is increasing, we have to go and switch on the second transformer also. So they are independently feeding their units now during full load condition. So only off load or 1/4 of the load only we are shutting down one of the uh, transformer. Okay, so bus coupler will be closing when one source is active and the respective load is connected. When both the sources are active, bus coupler will be kept open. So next one is automatic power factor controller, so which is the another part of the powerhouse. So this is very important. So we know the concept of power factor correction, right? In especially in industries, since they are operating motor loads, which has reactive power in the nature, and which will supply the reactive load back to the circuit. So we need to do some VA or compensation here. For that, we installed war compensators, which is at a different stage, like 5 kVA and 7.5, 10, 12.5, and it goes up to 25 kVA here. So based on the power factor requirements, usually we get instruction from the electricity board to maintain the power factor at unity. So we are almost maintaining 0.99 power factor here, and based on the power factor, if it is going lagging, based on that, the capacitor bank will be added automatically, which has the switching circuit inside this panel. And how we are sensing this power factor, whether it is low or lag. And especially we have a current transformer for sensing the current. So based on that, it will be switching the banks. Okay, so this is kind of automatic power factor correction, and this is very much essential for industries, and there is a, I mean, this is mandatory for every industries to correct the power factor. It is all about this powerhouse. I've gone over the overview. So meet in next video.
You want me to teach you more about electrical and electronics topics in detail, and you want me to make more of this kind of video, make sure the comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon and ensure that you turn on the notification for all.